lot of cranking. You hear me?
Mm-hmm. I think some people use a power drill. Yeah.
Power drill to get you in trouble. No, people just do that stuff because they don't want to do manual labor. I still like to put it like that. Electrocuted. They try to do it. Whenever that was. I don't know. It might not be near wires because if this is the post, this on, the wires are usually right here going down the post. They will have them laying over here.
I was thinking about the
ADT system. I don't think so.
The doorbell.
Nah, I think it's right here. And then the wires will be on the post. Remember? They don't lay wires across like that, Janetta. In houses, they go along the post, wherever the post is. The stud, that's what they call them, studs.
And that's what you're supposed to be trying to get it on the stud.
No, you're supposed to get it on the stud. You ain't got to, not with these long screws. Ain't nobody gonna get in here.
A close up.
Oh. You in my way.
Okay, so it's mounted up where he's got both of it on, and the V shape is toward the door, and the straight is away from the door.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, this is the finished product.
Yep.
There it goes. It's in together. And this, all you have to do is push back
Pull it out.
and pull out.
And you can open the door.
To open the
You
door.
can open the door and show it that, do it to it like that, yeah. See?
Okay.
See, that's where if somebody come up with a
If
package
somebody-
and you want to see
for
a package.
pets or dog or whatever, people come.
Yeah, like
Okay.
a delivery.
And then close it.
Yeah.
And then go like that and go
Like that.
forward.
Yeah.
Okay?
It locks it straight.
That's like it.
And then
And to release it, if you want to release it,
Oh, you doing
here,
it.
Johnny.
Go ahead.
All you do is push this.
Go ahead. Just hold it. You ready?
Release that. Go ahead. And then get it out. And then let it hang here.
That's
Okay?
it. It's out your way.
That's it. And remember to turn off your power. We turn off the power ahead of time because I wanted to make sure there's start no fire or whatever.
Or short.
Wire, short anything.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye.